In this video, we're going to show you how to request travel approvals in Navan, making it easier to manage your business trips. If you're new to Navan, stick around because I'll walk you through the process step by step and give you some valuable tips that can save you time and headaches. By the end, you'll be confident in navigating travel approvals with ease. And here's the best part. You can try Navan for free through the link below with some exclusive bonuses. Let's dive straight into it. To get started with requesting travel approvals in Navan, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Navan account. Once you're in, you'll notice the clean, user-friendly dashboard. It's designed to help you manage all your travel needs in one place. When it comes to requesting approval for your travel plans, the process is straightforward. Navigate to the Trips section, which is where you'll manage your upcoming travel. From there, you'll see an option to create a new trip request. Simply click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the details of your trip, such as the destination, travel dates, and any special requirements you might have. Once you've entered your trip information, you'll need to select the specific team or department that needs to approve the trip. This is where Navan stands out. It allows for customized approval workflows based on your company's preferences. You can set different levels of approval depending on the importance of the trip, the budget, or the seniority of the employee. As you enter the details, Navan will automatically calculate and suggest the best travel options for flights, hotels, and transportation. These suggestions take into account your company's travel policy, ensuring that your trip is within budget and compliant with company rules. You can easily adjust your selection if needed. After completing the trip request form, you'll submit it for approval. This is where the magic happens. Navan automatically sends the request to the designated approvers, who will receive a notification. The approvers can then review your trip request, approve it, or ask for changes. One of the key features here is the real-time notifications and tracking. You'll get updates on the status of your approval directly in your Navan dashboard, so there's no need to constantly check emails or chase down approvals. The whole process becomes seamless and transparent, saving you time. If the request is approved, you'll be notified immediately, and you can move forward with booking your travel. If there are any changes or issues with your request, you'll also receive an update with clear instructions on what needs to be adjusted. Now, if you're worried about streamlining this process even further, Navan offers integrations with other software like your company's HR or finance tools to make travel approval even smoother. This can save you a lot of time, especially when dealing with larger teams or frequent travel requests. Finally, don't forget that Navan offers powerful reporting features. You'll have access to detailed insights about your travel approval history, making it easy to track and analyze spending, approval times, and overall efficiency. This is an essential feature for any company that wants to stay on top of travel-related expenses and ensure compliance with company policies. So there you have it. Requesting travel approvals in Navan is quick and simple thanks to its user-friendly interface, real-time tracking, and smart integrations. Remember, you can access this software for free through the link below, plus get an exclusive extended free trial. If you want to make managing business trips easier, you won't want to miss out on this offer.